Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna do some prep to the GTR. We're taking off the struts right now, well we're about to. And then we're also taking off the calipers, as you guys can easily see. We'll get some clips for you guys of us taking it all off. Maybe we'll explain exactly what's gonna go on in a sec, but we'll get back to you guys in a minute. We had an idea and we said, fuck it.
I mean, I gotta upgrade my my toolbox here and there, and this is a nice addition to it. I mean, we like ratchets anyway, so.
Alright guys, we're gonna continue what we're doing. We're taking off the struts right now. What the fuck?
Cause a little more meat, I gotta, you know, gotta get in there a little more. Where is it? Is it in? Is it in? Is it in?
Fucking dope.
What's up, guys? I made it, finally. I got hung up at work. They were doing a bunch of cool shit without me. If you guys saw the little clip about the ratchet, I was jealous I'm not a part of that. We got Javier, our master mechanic, somewhere over there by Danny's legs, right there. We're going to be actually doing some shit to Danny's car. If you guys are this deep into the video, you guys know a lot more than I do at the moment. But we're going to jump right back into everything.
Probably too. I mean, we're trying. I mean, that'd be good for me. All those lines, I don't gotta worry if I want to put these tires on. When I had to bring the bike here instead, action!
What's up, guys?
Wait, you're not Jeff?
I'm pretty similar, though.
That's better than anything I was going to say, bro. I wasn't going to do it. I wasn't going to do it.
Flame on? Damn, you're a flame, bro.
It's lit.
Chill, bro. Chill. God damn, bro. Hey, don't be burning no plants, man.
Oh, is that mine?
No.
Wait!
Good boys get scratches. Now stay.
Do something, man. Do like cut, action, something.
I know.
I mean, what's your director chair? All right, cool.
Action.
All right, guys. I really want to make something really unique with these calipers. I like the Nissan logo, but behind those new wheels that are pearl white, I'm not gonna have these ugly colored calipers. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get them powder coated. I'm gonna get them powder coated black, but we're gonna do something a little different. They are gonna be powder coated, but I am going to Dremel off the Nissan logo, and I'm gonna put on a sticker. What kind of sticker? At the moment, I don't know yet, but I am going to Dremel this off, and at the powder coater, they can put a special sticker on there. Alright, Javier, can you explain to people how you took off this front strut?
Alright, so there's this lip here, you guys can see. There's a little lip here, and when you try to pull back, you're gonna have a hard time trying to get it out. So what you gotta do is
you have it in there, pretty much gotta twist it to your right side and then pull back and it should come out really easy.
Technical day.
So right here is lip, see how it's not letting me go all the way through. So then you gotta grab it, twist it. Maybe a little more. There you go.
There it is.
Alright guys, real quick, we're gonna go run to Firestone to go mount Danny's tires.
All I've done is roll them 10 feet. Some are tired.
We never get funny shit on camera, but that shit was hilarious. Yo, we're mounting Danny's wheels and he ain't even fucking here.
Should we leave Danny's shipping address on the back of the tires?
Have you seen him yet?
Yeah, I think I have.
Oh, I'm gonna peel the sticker off.
Oh, you're trying to leave them on?
Don't want it. And this is the part where we light the tire on fire and kick it. She asked me if it's 8 inches. Thought, nope, 3/8.